Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be replacing these fuel filters on my 2022 John Deere 2025R. So here we have an inline filter. There's your part number. Check the description for links and part numbers. That's what it looks like. And then we have this style filter, and there's your part number there. This was a box of 2. This is the easier filter to replace, which is located right here. Nice and convenient. We're going to go ahead and close this valve while we're here. And the other filter is at a dumb location underneath the tractor on the left side here. Right there. So we have to remove this bolt, take this bracket off. It's a 13mm bolt. Take that off first. And yeah, this is not going to be fun. Here's the back side of that bolt. We have a nylon locking nut here, so we need a 13mm open-ended wrench on the back. Hold that still. Alright, now I can go ahead and remove this bracket. You have to pry it open a little bit so it slides over top of this filter. Okay, that's what it looks like. Set that aside. And now we have our fuel filter exposed, and we have 2 clips, one on each side here. So we'll need to get a pair of pliers, squeeze those, and move them out of the way, and then pull these hoses off. Alright, what I'm going to do, I have these little pliers here. I'm just going to squeeze these clamps and slide them back further along the hose area. Just like this. Slide it back far enough. Okay, that's good there. And the same thing with this side. Have to peel back this protective covering here to expose that one. Okay, those hose clamps are out of the way. Now it's just a matter of pulling each hose off of the filter. You'll have a little fuel that will leak, so have something to catch that fuel. I have this oil drain pan here. So what you can do is pinch off each side with a clamp if you'd like. That would work. Or just be really quick. The choice is yours. Have rags ready and the new filter ready to go. Okay, there we go. So I have my thumb over this line. What I'm going to do is slide the new filter up in place. I have this little piece here with a little screw in it so that it stops the flow of fuel. So here we go. Alright, there we go. So now I can pull the filter off this side. Okay, there we go. So that old filter is out. I have my thumb over that line. So now what I'm going to do is pull this little piece off and just connect the other line. Throw this little piece off to the side, and then stick the new line or the new filter up in here, like this. Okay, there we go. So I slid the clamps back over here. I could see these breaking over time since you have to do this yearly. So I'm just going to go ahead and slide this back up here and put that clamp back on. I'll probably eventually upgrade these to standard hose clamp, and maybe put a little valve in here to prevent all that fuel from spilling like that. Okay, that's it for under here. Alright, now we have this last fuel filter replaced right here. Make sure this valve is shut off, which it is. And we need to turn this collar here counterclockwise. And make sure you have something to catch the fuel in below. And we're going to go ahead and get started here. Okay, here's the sediment bowl. Just check this, make sure it's clean. Clean it out really well. And same with this collar here, clean this up while it's off. And to remove this filter, all you need to do is pull it straight down. Just like that. You can throw this away. Before you install, don't forget to put the spring back in like that. Doesn't look like this valve works too well. Anyways, take your new filter, slide it up into position, push firm till it stops like that. Then take the sediment bowl, slide it up over top of the filter, and thread it back on. Don't forget to turn the valve back on. Now this is a self-bleeding system. If you look at the book here, it tells you that the system is self-bleeding, and turn the key to the on position for 10 to 15 seconds before attempting to start. The electric pump purges air from the sediment bowl. There it goes. No leaks, which is good. Go ahead and shut this off. It's been enough time. It should fire up now. back in business. She had to clear her throat a little bit. We're good to go now. Well guys, that is it. That wasn't too bad of a job, just an annoying filter location on the other side. Hope the video helped you out. Give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.